Madam, please help me to hold this thing. Come, this one too. Thank you.
Baby, who is this madman? Hey, who are you? What are you doing here? So this is how you go about proposing to people's girlfriend on this Valentine's Day?
No, baby.
Are you crazy? Do you know how much I've spent in this relationship?
Propose, madam, did I toast?
So who are you? Who is he? Talk to me.
Oga, I'm a Christian.
Why is that my business?
I'm on my way to church this morning. The shoelace now loose. Okay, let me tie it back now. I asked her to help me hold this back. That is all.
That's all.
I swear.
Okay, now take. Leave this place. Get out. Leave this place.
Is this side as my church?
Now move.
But why don't you go back home and rest now?
No, I need to go to church.
It's not your business. Come on, get out.
So that's my junction there, the church junction where you will stop me. Okay, you just passed my church junction now. You just passed the church junction. Okay.
Hello, Baba. I have the guy for the sacrifice.
Yeah!
I'm bringing him to your shrine.
Yeah! My shadow screamed so loud, I couldn't raise my voice. Oh, be more.
I'm bringing him to your shrine.
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
Oh, be still what I am with you, man. You seem so far away, and I cannot understand. I don't know